Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Wherever We Wander. 2 years ago, we bought ourselves a transit van to convert into a camper van, and this is what it looked like when we bought it. We spent the next 10 weekends converting to what we thought was going to be the perfect van. We absolutely loved the conversion when it was done, but after 2 years, we know that we need something different to be able to carry on travelling. So with new plans in the pipeline, we are stripping out what we've already done and we're starting all over again. So join us on the journey of renovating our van. We've been clearing out the van, so it's a lot different from the last time you saw it. We are basically stripping as much as we can out, including the floor, because we had a bit of a disaster with the window. At the beginning of the year we installed our own window, which was great, it went fine. It was a bit of a pain, but we got it in. And ever since we've noticed it's leaking in bit by bit, and we have to use towels and obviously dry it as much as we possibly can. So because it's been in storage for months through COVID, we haven't been noticing when it's been leaking in drastically, and obviously we haven't been there to do anything about it, so it's been leaking in terribly. I'll show you now. So we've took the ply off this wall here because it had come all in here, dripped all the way down, and as you can see the floor is pretty wet. Up here is pretty wet, and it's all very much still wet. So it's been a disaster, but what we have figured out is it's been our fault all along. So embarrassing. So basically on the outside of the window there's some little bungs in the window on the bottom, and we haven't pulled them out, so the water's had no escape. So let me show you even more. So as you can see, it's been raining last night, but because we took these bungs out, there's like areas in the window here, I don't know if you can see with this camera, little gaps in the window, like there's one there. So when you open it, when the rain's actually coming in, which it does because it sits on the sill and drips in bit by bit. So as we were analysing the situation yesterday, we thought, well, where's this water actually supposed to go? If there's little holes, surely it's supposed to go through there. And when we were on the outside, having a look at where we would have to seal everything, we realised there was actually some bungs that we just needed to pull out. And then the water obviously came out outside rather than inside, so what a stress we've caused ourselves for no reason whatsoever. But it's given us a better mindset, because at least we know now there's just a few wet boards and a bit of insulation to replace. Nothing has affected the van itself, so we just need to crack on and get it done now. I'll show you the outside in case you've got a window like this yourself and you haven't done it. So on the window they've got these bits on, and they've got them on both sides, and depending on which way you put your window. We hadn't taken these bottom ones out, so now that we have, obviously there's somewhere, as you can see here, for the water to seep out, which means our window is no longer leaking. Whee, well done. Next one. That's it.
Ready for this?
Yep. Whew, next one off. You're gonna have this wall down before Kev gets
Here's a
back.
little sneak peek of what it looks like after.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue.
So Amber has taken this whole wall apart all by herself.
And that one, and this one, and that one.
Woohoo!
I haven't finished taking these off.
Amber is just in charge of building this van now, to be fair. Here he is cutting out the window. Do we think it's going to fit first time? Kev, do you think it's going to fit first time?
Nope.
First time cut and he's got it right. Woo! Just needs screwing and painting. So every time we've been shopping for cladding, for the extra bits that we need to get done, we haven't found anything that is the same as the original cladding in the van. So we've got these extra bits going on, which is just going to add character to the van really, isn't it? A bit of quirk. That's the way we're seeing it anyway. Basically I'm covering all the walls white. We're going to start from scratch, have a nice blank canvas, and we're going to have more of like a white and green theme this time. So I think this is going to take a few coats to cover. We'll see. So I've got the first coat on pretty much. Well, not the back doors yet because they're too used at the minute and everybody keeps touching them. So I absolutely hate white. This is not how it's going to be. I'm just covering all of the old colour. I really need some colour in here though. I've got some ideas and we've got some plans because I can't live in a white van, not a chance. But it's covering. I think it's going to take 3 coats for definite. We'll see.